Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video we are going to walk through a new topic, and the topic is how to set up payment method in Shopify. And the video will be an easy and quick tutorial for you, and in this video I am going to break down step by step guideline for you so you can understand about payment method, how you will set up the payment in Shopify. So first of all, you can see already we are landed in shopify.com. This is our admin panel, and you can see that when you will click over here in the I button, you will see our website. I already designed a demo website for you. In here we have some products, and this is our outlook of our website. So now we need to be work on the main process, that the process is how to set up payment methods. And remember, it payment methods totally depend on country wise. Like you are from United States, then it might be have you more option than compared to my home country. So I am going to work on here. You just need to be click on setting. You will find out this option in the left corner in the top bottom side. You will find out the setting option. Just click over here. Once you click over here, the interface will become to your desktop. That will be setting option. Here you will find out various options. So here you need to find out the payment option. Once you find out the payment option, just click over here. Once you click over here, they will give you all the option about payment related. So there you can edit the payment setting, you can delete the payment method, or you can override everything here. So if you want further more option, you can purchase the premium plan from their website. Then you will find out various features which will be helpful for your business. Although we can work on this free plan, so it will be okay for us. So basically you need to be see it one by one. Payment providers, you can read it if you need it. Then you can read it this support payment method, then payment capture method, and also manual payment method. So I am going to talk about one by one, and I am going to describe everything for you so you can understand each and every part of this payment method process. So let's dive into the topic. First of all, you can see we have manual payment method. So just click over here. Once you click over here, you can find out four options. One is create custom payment method, and second one is bank deposit, third one is money order, and fourth one is cash on delivery. So you can choose cash on delivery for your business. Like it is a meaning that when a product will receive by customer, then he or she will provide money to the delivery man, and this is the cash on delivery option. So you can add or include this so you can include this cash on delivery option in as your payment method if you want. It's totally up to you. So I'm going to add additional details for that cash on delivery. That will be cash on delivery. Then I'm going to give some instruction how he will place the order and how he will pay the payment and what is the refund policy. So you can do, or you can write anything you want related to your business. So I am just right now write something like this demo, and I will click on activate cash on delivery. Once I click over here, it will take a while, and it will already added in cash on delivery option. You can see our cash on delivery has been activated. So you can add further more option like bank deposit. It is totally an amazing thing. You can receive payment by bank. Like someone purchased a product from you, he will send money from bank, you will deposit the money on your bank account. So it's also an awesome thing. You can use it. Even you also have option that is money order. It is amazing thing. You can explore it if you need it. Like randomly, it is not relevant for every website. Less people uses this feature, so I will never suggest you. And then we are going to work on payment capture method. So it is an option where you can see that payments are authorized when an order is placed. Like someone going to place an order, he can check out automatically when he will click on buy now or check out to cart, this kind of a word. So you can make it manually if you want. So here you have options, so you can explore one by one option, and which is suitable for your website, you can choose it. Then let's dive into the main and foremost option, that is support payment methods. Which methods really supported in Shopify, like you need to be explored for it. Like click over here, add payment method. Once you click over here, you will find out two options. One is search by payment method and search by provider. So let's talk about search by provider, it is a option where you will have bunch of payment option has been together in a basket, and they are providing a service for you. Like, let me search Mastercard. Once you search for Mastercard, you will get some option here. Let me give you, this one is not working, then let's search for Visa again. You can see that this option has been kept to advanced. So if you want to add this one, like, just click over here, then go over here, and you will have the option to install. Once you click over here install, you will get the bunch of payment store. Like, people have Visa card, some people have Mastercard, some of them have Annex card, some have PayPal. So this way, who does not have any of them, he also can make payment through this way. Like, who have only Visa card, he also can use this payment method. Who have only Mastercard, he also able to do it. Like, everyone allows to do it. Like, after clicking install, he will redirect to you another page, like his Shopify connection page. Here you need to create an account in this usapay.com website. Just copy this and search here. Once you search here, they will come to their interface. Here you can see it's a Chinese payment method option. So you need to create an account before you use it. Once you create an account, they will provide you this security key and merchant ID, and you need to play the role to paste. Again, paste here, and then just click over submit. So I am going to add something which is like supported by my country too. Like, let's find out the Shopify Stripe option, which is really supported to my country. That's why then you can see this is my third-party payment provider option. Here you can see Payoneer, checkout native cards. Then they have Stripe. Stripe is like well-being to my country. It is accepted. Like, I am going with the Stripe one, and then they are asking for email address to create an account. So I don't have any account yet, so I need to create an account, then I can easily connect my Shopify store. So for that reason, I need to copy the stripe.com, then I will search over here. Once I search here, they will give you option to create an account. So you can see we can create here. So I am going to use sign in with key. Once I click over here, they will give me all the option to sign up, and now we can sign up. Done. Now we will be in our option create an account. We just need to paste our name, Mahin, and we will check out this option, then create an account. It's very simple and easy process. It is just only 2 or 3 minute procedure. So just do it and connect your Stripe to your Shopify store. Once you go to this dashboard panel, skip for now, you will have the option to connect with Shopify store. It's really easy. Again, I am telling you. So they are verifying myself, am I real business owner or not. So here you need to provide this information. Till now I don't have any information yet, so I am not allowed to do whatever I want right now, but I can do here. Just give you the simple idea about the Stripe. So here you need to paste your Stripe account Gmail here, then click on submit. Once you click over here submit, they will redirect to Stripe and they will integrate your Stripe to Shopify. This is a really easy process, so you can do it easily. So I'm going to do with this add me payments credit card. Just click over here and I am going to install it. Once I click over here install, it will redirect to this page where my Shopify is connected with the option. So now I need to click install again. Once I click over here, the install has been done for my page. So they will be connected right now. So we can choose live account or test account. Just a live account, get it started. Then this way you can easily connect your payment method in here. So right now they are asking for logging, so it is really easy process. I hope you will understand whole process right now. So also the interesting thing is we can add Bitcoin too. We can accept Bitcoin payment by this way. Like you need to search Bitcoin, and after clicking here you have this Coinbase option, Coinbase Commerce, Crypto.com Pay, then OpenNote, and further sell on pay. So you have access to do this kind of payment in Shopify store. I hope you already understand how the payments process works on this Shopify store and how you will be able or allowed to connect your Shopify store to your payment methods. I hope this video will help you, and I try my best to give you basic and intermediate knowledge in this video. If you find out this video is really helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to thumbs up. Till now, have a good day.